guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Derek Designs. So today let me show you how to design this beautiful avocado screen effect in Photoshop, or we are going to learn how to create this screen effect. As you can see, I had my avocado. Let me just show you. I had my avocado. I have two avocado shapes. Okay, so we are going to see how we can create this effect. So what I'm going to start with, let me just delete all these. Okay, let me just delete all these, and we start up fresh. So I have my background here. I downloaded it from freepik.com. So this is where I downloaded it from. It's my freepik.com. So what I'm going to first do, I'm going to first import my first image. I'm just going to click and drag. Alright, so as you can see here, we have our image. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to press enter. I'm going to come and select my object selection tool, and I'm going to come and select only this. Okay, I only want this area, so that's all I need. I don't need any other area. So this is what I have selected. So you can come and adjust just a little bit if it's not so much clear. So you're just going to adjust so that it takes all the edges. Alright, so that we don't leave any pixel behind. So this is an AI Photoshop AI tool that was designed with it. So if you're comfortable with your selection, just come and press Ctrl J. Okay, as you can see here, now we've got our second layer. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete out this. I don't need it, so that I remain with only this. All right, so we have our number one avocado shape. All right, so let me click enter. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to import and about this. So I'm going to just click on my avocado and I'll drag again. All right, so with this I don't need to remove a lot. I'm just going to press enter, and I'm going to again do the same, select image, so that I just remove the background. I'm going to adjust a little this. Okay, so what else? You need to be very careful so that you can come out with a perfect shape you like. Okay, so with this I'm comfortable with this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just repeat the same, Ctrl J, and come delete this background. We don't need it. So come and select your move tool. So what I'm going to do, let me first decrease the opacity so that I can align it clearly. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to increase the opacity, and I'm going to press shortcut Ctrl Shift plus U. Okay, so check this out. You can see how it has turned out to be, the color. So the next step, I'm going to come on this, make sure I put this in screen. Okay, so we are going to go on our levels. Okay, and let's just adjust our color levels. Oh, sorry, make sure you don't you click on this so that all effects are only affected on the selected image. All right, so I'm going to adjust. Okay, this. Okay, so I think I'm okay with this for now. So what I'm going to do again, I'm going to come on our second avocado, the cut piece. Okay, I'm going to also to give it our this one, I'm going to give it the curves. Okay, again mask only this. So with this I'm just going to reduce, okay, the curves. You can just play with these settings. All right, so with this for now I'm okay. You can always come back and select and adjust your curves, you adjust your levels, anything. So with this I'm done with this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come here and come on this avocado, mask it, okay, and I'm going to come and select my brush tool and make sure it's on black color. If it's not, you can click or press X to change it, or to always change this. So I'm going to reduce my flow, okay, and I'm going to zoom in direct. Okay, so you can start clicking. All right, you can start masking. Let me so now here we are good to go. You can check your setting avocado, how is it. So if you're not, you feel like something is maybe not right, you can always come back here on your camera levels. Okay, sorry about this. Okay, you can double click and come adjust your screen settings. All right, so I think I'm going to leave it here. All right, so I'm comfortable with this design. All right, so this is how we can create our transparent effect of any fruit, even if it's even if you've got a strawberry, even if you've got anything. This is how you can create your transparent effect or glass effect. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If this video has been so helpful for you, please just hit a like, comment, and if you're new, if you haven't subscribed, please just subscribe to my YouTube channel, and we shall get to tackle more and more Photoshop tricks. All right, thank you so much. See you in another video.